Hello guys, welcome to Channel Planscape. Today we are going to show you how you can create your fabrication drawing in 2D with the help of 3D mechanical model. You can see that we have this mechanical 3D model like 3D assembly, as you can see that. So this is in the 3D form, okay? So we will create this in 2D in the layout space. So currently we are in the model space, but we will create this in the layout space. Now we will go to the layout space. You have to click here, Layout 1, okay? Now you have the plain whiteboard-like stuff. Right, click here and go to the Page Setup Manager. So, for this instance, we are creating for the A3 model, A3 workspace. So, we will select the A3 paper. So, go to Modify and select A3. So this is A3. So let's first select the DWG to PDF. Okay, then select A3 Full Bleed. ISO A3 Full Bleed. So we are searching Full Bleed, A3 Full Bleed. Okay, this one. Select this. Okay, and Layout 00, Scale 1 and 1, and Skip and Monochrome. Here you have to select the monochrome. Okay, close. So now we have created the paper size.
So first, we have to create the title block. So in the model space, here we have the title block. You can see that we go to the top view and I'll select this. I'll copy this block and paste. Layout copy. I'll just here, so you have to scale it down. Scale reference. Pick 2 points like this, approximately like that. So this is the little bit scale down around, so you have to make some little adjustments here. So now you have to get to the title block area, and here you can, with the polyline command, simple lines like this, 50 like this. You can create the information area where you put the drawing information or the company logo.
Also, you can put the company logo here and information regarding the drawing line's offset, like this one center line here. So here you can put the drawing information, the sizes and the company logo, and the client name and case IDs, then date also, etc. Like this, you can add here in this area. So this area consists of our drawing. So now we will go to the layout here, Layout, and we will select this one, Base, and they will select the model from the model space. So first the view. The top view will appear first, and the front view will appear the first. Okay, this is the front view of a 3D model. The front view appeared here, so we will suitable location, and we will select the center around. Now you have to press the space bar, Enter. Okay, now you can drag further another view. So here we have the left side view. Left side here, we have the right side view here. Here we have the top view. Here we have the bottom view. What do you like? This we have the isometric. View here. You can make here, no issue. Make here, isometric view. Press spacebar. Enter, like this. Now you have completed the geometry for your fabrication drawing. As you can see that the detailed with the dotted line in inner detail, also you can manifest here in this sheet. So, the parent. This is the parent object. You can move this alongside. Move all along, and little bit. Move here for proper adjustments. And you can see that here you can put the dimensions. You can put dimensions here, no issue. Like this. You can modify dimension. You can make them big, small, as you want. I'm showing you for the practice purpose only. And in the Entity tab, you can go and you can radius. You can put the radius here like this, or like this. Here you can put. So here you can also make the section of this object like this. So select on the specific what you want to make the section of it. So go to this here, section. We have section, section. So I need full section. OK, so I'll draw, I'll here A, and I'll cut. In this direction. And now you have the section of this. So here we have the section, section A. You can see that this is a section if I move the section line, to the lower circle, smaller circle, the section details automatically changes. You can see that automatically change the section detailing. So it's quite automatic and very fascinating stuff here. So, also, you can make the dimension of that section here and here, like this. So this is the fabrication drawing of 3D model. In this way, we create the fabrication model. I am showing you the basics of this drawing, so if you know the ISO standards or ANIS standards, you can make with those standards also. This drawing, some other functions we also have. We can modify with this. We can hide those dotted lines and dotted stuff and only make the dotted line and other sections. We can make from the other views, and so 3 things you have to make sure. Well, first, the title block. And the second one is the detailing area. You have to specify detailing area, where we have to add the drawing details and the logo of the company. And the third one is this paper space, where we put their model with the different views, top, bottom, front and back views, and isometric. If you want, you can put the isometric view of this object also. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and hit the like button, subscribe and keep sharing. Keep watching on Stuff. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much. Thank you. Stay tuned with us.